Following Thanksgiving, a massive sale caught my eye, prompting me to stock up on various turkey cuts. I carefully selected several plump breasts, tender thighs, and juicy legs, all expertly seasoned to enhance their flavor. The aroma of the spices was irresistible, and I couldn't pass up the chance to add more delicious turkey to my collection. It is essential to process the dark and white meat of the turkey separately to achieve perfectly cooked protein. The legs and thighs should be processed at 155 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 hours, while the white meat should be processed at 131 degrees Fahrenheit for 24 hours. Why add baking soda to your 24-hour soak? Yes, adding a small amount of baking soda to the soaking water when preparing beans helps break down the pectin in the beans, making them cook faster and achieve a softer texture. This is because baking soda creates an alkaline environment that disrupts the pectin's structure, allowing the beans to soften more quickly. And most importantly, you will fart less. I tossed in peppers, green onions, red onions, garlic and cilantro, seasonings plus cumin and Greek oregano.
After carefully deboning the turkey, I thoughtfully returned the bones to the pot, recognizing their potential to significantly enhance the dish's overall flavor. As the pot simmered gently over the next 2 hours, I diligently adjusted the seasonings, striving to achieve a harmonious balance that would satisfy the palate. To deepen the umami profile, I infused the mixture with a bouquet of aromatic herbs, a dash of rich fish sauce, and a touch of fiery chilies to ignite a spicy undertone. Observing that the dish's fat content needed a boost for that desired richness, I luxuriously blended in velvety butter and luscious cream. This addition not only enriched the flavor, but also imparted a smooth, silky texture to the sauce. By the conclusion of the cooking process, the medley of flavors melded together beautifully, creating a complex and savory dish that was truly a feast for the senses, sure to delight anyone fortunate enough to taste it.